Hello.
Hello.
We are going, Julissa, Nayara, and Aileen, and we are going to make a gofio bella.
To make this recipe, we need gofio, water, and sugar.
We make in a bowl the water, the sugar, and the gofio. And mix until it is like a dough, and when it's ready, we make a ball. And this is the bella.
Hi Bedelia! In this video, I'm going to cook a typical Canarian dessert. It's called mousse of gofio, with the help of my mom. Let's go! The ingredients are the next. First, 250 grams of gofio. Next, half liter of milk, nuts, and you can add it to the dessert, cinnamon. In the first step, we will add all the ingredients to the mixer. First, the gofio, secondly, the half liter of milk, and add to the mixer the nuts. Secondly, we will beat the ingredients. Thirdly, we take out the cream of the mixer and add it to the into the bowls. And finally, we take the cake out of the fridge and sprinkle with cinnamon. It's delicious.
Good afternoon. Now we are going to do papas arrugadas con mojo canario. The ingredients are going to be pepper, papas arrugadas, salt, cumin, vinegar, oil, paprika, and garlic. We choose pepper and the other ingredients. And we will see it in the bowl. We put the potatoes in the cauldron and with water to heat. And to wait. Ready to eat.
First,
the water. Then the sugar. And then the toasted cornmeal pella de gofio. And finally, the dough remains ready to eat with your hands.
Hi Bedelia, my favorite dish is chuche de batata. To do it I need 1.5 kg of flour, 1 kg of sugar, 1 kg of sweet potatoes, 150 grams of peeled almonds, 4 tablespoons of barley, 2 tablespoons of salt, a little gram of cinnamon, the zest of lemon, olive oil, water, and some monkey anise. Then mix the flour with the water and add the salt and the butter. Let this rest for half an hour. Now we cook the sweet potatoes. When they are soft, I drain and crush them. Then we add the sugar, the cinnamon, the zest of lemon, the peeled almond, and anise. Mix everything and return to the clouds, filling it and make circles. In each one we will put a tablespoon of filling and close them. And finally we put them in the oven until they are done. Bye!
Hello, today I'm going to prepare potatoes with sauce, also called mojo con papa. For this we need potatoes, water, salt, a lemon, water, pepper, garlic, thyme, laurel, picona pepper, oil, vinegar, salt, bowl. We clean the potatoes and we leave them with the skin. We put them in a pit, we cover them with water, and we add a lot of coarse salt. At 20 minutes, we open the pit and we let the remaining moisture absorb. Also, we can put a slice of lemon. Add first garlic, pepper, picona pepper, and salt in the bowl. Crush it well into that is a homogeneous paste. Add half glass of oil, a teaspoon of vinegar. Stir well in a bowl. Thyme and laurel integers are added, and then it keep stirring and to the taste of the person. More salad, hot, spicy, or mild. Finally, it's put in a glass or a pot of crystal.
Hello, we are going to make a canary red mojo. The ingredients are 170 grams of red pepper, 5 garlic cloves, 90 grams of olive oil, 20 grams of white wine vinegar, 1 small spoon of cumin, 1 small spoon of sweet paprika, salt, and 4 tablespoons of bread crumbs. Next, we add all the ingredients in the Thermomix, and we program 2 minutes, speed 8.